Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your MacBook and iPhone. First, ensure both your MacBook and iPhone are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, verify that you are signed into the same Apple ID on both devices. This is crucial for iCloud and other Apple services to function correctly. We'll cover how to set up iCloud for automatic data synchronization, making your digital life much smoother. iCloud is your primary tool for keeping data consistent. Go to Settings on your iPhone and System Settings on your Mac, then click on your Apple ID. Here, you can manage which apps use iCloud. For example, enabling iCloud Photos ensures all your pictures are available everywhere. Similarly, iCloud Drive keeps your documents and desktop files synchronized, providing easy access from either device. Beyond iCloud, Apple offers powerful continuity features. Handoff lets you seamlessly switch between devices while working on an app, like Safari or Mail. AirDrop provides a fast way to share photos, videos, and documents wirelessly with nearby Apple devices. And for quick text transfers, Universal Clipboard allows you to copy something on your iPhone and paste it directly onto your MacBook, saving you valuable time. If you encounter syncing problems, a simple restart of both your MacBook and iPhone often resolves many issues. Also, double-check your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections to ensure they are stable and enabled. Sometimes, a quick toggle off and on can fix connectivity glitches. Remember to regularly back up your data to iCloud or your computer for extra security. For more great deals and the link to Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.